In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x8000 error Windows Update 1903. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by clicking on the Start button. Go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions, and after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, consider to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Also, make sure that you have enough space for the update. So if not, then consider performing a disk cleanup. So type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. In the disk cleanup for your Windows drive or Windows C drive, simply select all of the options for the files that we need to delete and click on OK and click on Delete Files. The next thing that we can do is to perform the system file checker scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. In the elevated command prompt, copy this SFC command, which will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V, hit enter. So wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And again, go to the Windows search bar, type CMD for the next method. Click Run as Administrator. Then copy the DISM command, which will again be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. Wait for the process to be completed. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, simply wait for that. This may take for 50 minutes or an hour, but you just need to patiently wait for that. And once done, again, consider to restart your Windows. Then we can also go back to the Windows search bar, type CMD to reset the Windows Update components. Click Run as Administrator. Copy again these commands, which will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V, hit enter. Then type exit, hit enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.